Let's start by creating a new ticket. Click on the tickets icon, then Add Ticket. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your ticket. Next, use the Set Position option to place the ticket directly within the 3D Matterport space. Set the due date to define when the task should be completed. Add stakeholders who will be responsible for or involved in resolving this issue. In the description field, provide a short explanation of the problem. Then upload relevant photos, in this case 2 images of the printer related to the issue. Once everything is ready, click Create Ticket to save. Now let's switch to another user, a stakeholder. After logging into Simmon, the user notices a green dot on the tickets icon, indicating a new update. They open the ticket and change the status to In Progress. In the Activity section, they add a quick note confirming they will take care of the issue. Then in the description field, they provide the service company name and contact phone number. Once done, they close the ticket. Before closing the ticket, we'll change the status to In Progress because we didn't do it initially. The order in which you enter information and change the status is up to you. Then the user will open the asset the ticket concerns and add an event related to it. For our example, this will be printer service. Next, we'll set the service arrival date and the event recurrence. For our event, this will be a one-time visit. Finally, by clicking the location icon, the user is instantly taken to the exact position of the asset in the 3D space. In the ticket section, you can communicate about a reported issue in the activity section. This allows you to track the progress of the issue being resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching.